Hello, how's it going? Today I'm happy to share that I've finally found a keyboard stand that's worthy of our keyboards. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I am the biggest Geonworks simp. In fact, I have 4 of their keyboards. I have the Frog Mini, beautiful keyboard. I have their Frog TKL, which is the bigger brother of this Frog Mini. And then I have the F260, their newest release. Also beautiful, great sounding keyboard. And then finally, I have the F18X, which is my overall favorite keyboard of all time, also by Geonworks. And so I'm the biggest Geonworks simp. So when they said that they were coming out with a keyboard stand, I was very excited because as you all know, getting a keyboard stand is actually incredibly difficult. If you look on Etsy, if you look on Amazon, all of those are quite cheap. Now there are better ones, but they're way too expensive. So today I'm happy to share that Geonworks has come out with their keyboard stand. It's priced fairly and it's incredible quality. So let me run you through my favorite features. So this is the official Geonworks keyboard stand, and next to it I have my screw tray. So the first thing that really popped out to me was the finishing on this. Look at this. I would say that this level of finishing is on par with their keyboards, which is surprising because this anodization I believe was done in China, and the other Geonworks finishing is done in Korea. Now the second thing I really like is the stick feet. So you'll see here that they have these bump-ons, and this makes it so that when you try to move the keyboard stand, it doesn't move very much, and in fact it's more likely to move this little stool that I have. And then finally are the little bump-ons here. And these silicone protectors are just so that you don't have metal to metal contact. So one thing that popped out to me when I was looking at this beginning was that I was worried that some of the thicker keyboards might not be able to fit into this tiny space. And I'm happy to say that that's not the case. So this is my F18X, as you can see, very thick boy. So does the F18X, which is also probably 3.5 kilos, does it fit onto my keyboard stand? And the answer is yes. So if you see here, it fits quite nicely. It's quite snug, it doesn't move, and yeah. So all in all, very happy with it. Okay, so my final thoughts. Do I believe that the Geonworks aluminum keyboard stand is worth $35 US? Absolutely. For the next iteration of this project, I would like there to be a multi-story keyboard stand for people like me who have multiple keyboards and not a lot of space. Thanks for watching. See you next time.